I am a powerful and intelligent woman, a true force of nature. I am a visionary, and the world needs what I have to offer. Nobody can do exactly what I do, exactly like I do it. I am attracting all the right resources and opportunities I need to succeed. I am brave and bold. There are no limits to what I can achieve. I am capable and confident beyond measure. I am capable of anything I set my mind to, and I can manifest anything I choose. I am constantly attracting good things, good people, and good opportunities to me, like a magnet. I am courageous and resourceful. I am daring and relentless. I am growing and expanding every day. My income and my impact are on the rise. I am growing my income and my impact every day. I am loving the journey of becoming the best version of myself and creating the best possible life for myself. I am proud of myself for everything I've accomplished so far in my life, and I am grateful for all the success that's headed my way now. I am ready for abundance and success. I am worthy of my wildest dreams and deserve success. I believe in myself and my ability to breathe life into my business. I can and I will. I contribute more and earn more every day. I execute with diligence to bring the concepts in my mind to life. I have all the energy, enthusiasm, and drive that's needed to conquer my goals. I have the power to create anything I can envision. I work smart. I am productive, and I do what it takes until it's done. I am unstoppable. My business and my life are masterpieces of my own creation. My business excels in every way and is booming every day. My business improves lives, and I am rewarded financially for it. My mind is full of game-changing, money-making, brilliant ideas. I have the discipline and resilience to execute and follow through until they come to life. My network and my net worth are on the rise. Nobody and nothing has the power to stop me from achieving what I am destined to achieve. Nobody can offer exactly what I bring to the table. My skill set, strengths, experience, and ingenuity cannot be duplicated. My value is unparalleled and unique to me. I owe it to myself and to humanity to shine, to give it all I've got, to fulfill my potential and make it happen.